friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow flower. Are you excited?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start by drawing a big circle in the middle. This will be the center of our flower. Now, let's draw 5 petals all around the circle, nice and round. Inside each petal, draw a small line to decorate them. Next, draw a long stem coming down. And let's add a leaf on the side of the stem. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Here are my color pens.
Yay!
We will use rainbow colors today. Say the colors with me. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Our rainbow flower looks so colorful and pretty. Great work, artists! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you in the next video.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.